Gutter cleaning and soft washing services in Long Island. We offer gutter cleaning for your Long Island home. Don't let clogged gutters dampen your spirits or your shoes. We'll safely and thoroughly clean your gutters, removing debris and renewing their full function. We'll also brighten your gutter's exterior, enhancing its aesthetic. Give the gutters of your Long Island home or business a free flow and a sparkling glow when you call in the pressure washing pros at Pressure Wash Long Island. We also offer soft washing services. Soft washing packs a powerful punch while taking the pressure off of your delicate exterior surfaces. The pros at Pressure Wash Long Island will evaluate your surfaces to determine the safest and most effective cleaning method to preserve and enhance the integrity of your outdoor surfaces. To speak to our courteous and friendly staff and experience the difference at Pressure Wash Long Island, call us or visit our website.